How to download KakaoTalk on iPhone device. In this guide, I'll be showing you how you can download KakaoTalk in iPhone. For this, open the App Store on your device. Now once you open the App Store, tap on the search right here. Now at the top search bar, type in KakaoTalk and hit search. You will see the official app right here. Just tap on this get button. Now in your iPhone device, you need to authenticate with your Face ID or password. Just authenticate it and wait for a few minutes. Now once the app is installed, tap on this open right here. Now you can log in and create a new account for Kakao. And that's it. This is how easy it is to download and install KakaoTalk on iPhone device. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.